These are the parts for the 3D self-assembly model of Luma being printed on my RepWrap 3D printer. The model is approximately 10 cm by 10 cm or 4 by 4 inches, and there'll be a choice of colours. The pieces simply slot together with a dab of glue. This also shows how the actual real-life sculpture will be formed in 3 dimensions. The same type of data feeding the 3D printer will instruct a CNC cutter, and the main structural frames will be cut from plywood. This means we can design and prototype in London and then ship the design as data to the west coast of America for manufacture. The theme of Burningman is cargo cult, where a technologically backward culture superimposes pre-technological religious values on a piece of advanced foreign or alien technology. This project also asks interesting questions about a future where data is the cargo and manufacturing is carried out locally, robotically.